Hi, my name is Yvonne Smith, and I'm the Traveling Vegetarian. Just had a beautiful lunch at Cafe de Luz in Austin, Texas. We'll definitely be coming back here again, probably tomorrow for breakfast. It was really, really amazing. This is beautiful grounds. There's birds everywhere, bamboo. It's really tranquil. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to come back already, and I'm not even gone yet. Yesterday we left Nashville at about 8 a.m. Got to just north of Dallas at about 7:30, where a wonderful raw dinner was waiting for us, prepared by amazing people. They let us stay at their house, and it was really incredible. And yesterday, during the day, I found a place in Memphis, thanks to my iPhone and happycow.net. But we had raw vegan barbecue, if you can believe that. I had a vegan raw patty. It was basically a veggie burger, but it was barbecue spiced, and it was incredible. Prepared by a man named Balewa, and it was the restaurant of the same name. It's basically in kind of a 7-Eleven type place. It's got a Greek restaurant and a juice bar, and then Balewa's little lunch counter thing. And he's an amazing person, and I recommend to everybody who goes through Memphis stop there and have some of his really beautiful food. So anyway, that's the trip so far. I think we're going to eat at Mother's Cafe tonight and hopefully meet up with some friends, some people that I met on Twitter who live here, and an old friend. So it's a great trip so far. We're having an amazing time. I hope you're having fun watching my videos, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.